Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my YouTube channel, my name is Sharon. Thank you guys for coming. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching. God bless you all. If you're not yet subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. So in today's video is how I cook my catfish pepper soup yam. So guys, it's going to be yummy. So let me show you what I'm going to use to cook my catfish pepper soup yam. So you guys know that I'm from River State, so this is our number one of the food we like. So let's begin. So this is our yam. This is our yam, and I add some plantain and some unripe plantain, and this is our ripe plantain that I will add also. This is our catfish. You see, well washed. This is our scent leaf, and this is our spices. We'll have Maggi, salt to taste, and the pepper soup spices. So I've already ground this one, but I will add these two, but this one I will not add anymore. This one I will not add anymore. So it's only this and the ground one. So, and our scotch bonnet pepper with my garlic and ginger, I blend them together, and my chopped onions, and I want to add shaki. This is my shaki. I've washed it very well, so I want to add shaki. I cut it tiny, so I just like when I'm taking some fish and I'm joining some meats. So let's begin, guys. So now I've put my water, but I will add this water from the scotch bonnet pepper. So I will add it. And I've washed my yam and my plantain. So I've added it. Let me cover the fish. So I've added it, and now I'll add more water. I'll add more water on it. So now I'll put the shaki, so that the shaki and the yam will done. The shaki, they have already, I don't know if I will say they have already parboiled it a little before selling it, so it's not too hard. So I've added, I'll add one Maggi now. I'll add one Maggi. I've already washed my hand. I've added the Maggi. So I will stir now and cover it for it to boil a little bit before I'll add the catfish. Okay guys, you can add any like maybe you want to add pepper, you want to add onions because of the meat, you can do it, but I will leave it for some times and before I add all those ones. Okay guys, so guys, let's check it. Wow. Let me wash my hand. Let me wash my hand. So guys, so now we are about to we are about to add our fish. So I've stirred it where the pot is small. We'll manage it. We'll manage it. We'll work with it like that. So now we'll add our onions, and our pepper. We'll add our pepper. And Maggi. And our salt and our pepper soup spices. So now you stir. So now we are about to add the ripe plantain. Stir carefully so that the fish will not pieces scatter. So let's taste. Can you hear? Can you perceive the aroma? Oh God, can see it. Yummy. The pot is a bit small, but it's okay. So let's test. Wow, perfect. So let's add our vegetable, the scent leaf. Sorry. If you did not have scent leaf, you can use baby spinach. So stir proper. So let's check it, guys. So our yam pepper soup catfish is done. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Comment down below. So let's off the gas. So comment down below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys. Please, if you're not yet subscribed, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell notification so that anytime I upload, you will be first to be notified. Thank you guys, and God bless you all. Ciao ciao, love you. Mwah. So this is the results.